Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a common issue where your VPN connects successfully, but your internet stops working on your PC or laptop. This problem can be frustrating, especially if you rely on VPN for privacy or remote work. But the good news is, it can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. Before we begin, if you're looking for a fast and secure VPN, check out the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's get started with the first method. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings, then in the search bar at the top left corner type Troubleshoot. From the result, select Troubleshoot Settings. In the Troubleshoot section, click on Other Troubleshooters and then find Network and Internet. Click the Run button next to it. This built-in troubleshooter will scan for and automatically fix basic network issues that might be blocking internet access when your VPN is connected. Next, we'll manually clear your DNS cache, which can sometimes resolve connection conflicts. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This will open a black terminal window. Now type the following command: ipconfig flushdns, then press Enter. This command clears out outdated or corrupted DNS records that might be causing conflicts with your VPN. After that, type Exit and press Enter again to close the window. Make sure to restart your computer to apply the changes. Finally, let's make sure your VPN's virtual adapter is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and choose Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapters section. Look for an entry called Tap Windows Adapter. This is the virtual network interface your VPN uses. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. This will let Windows check for the latest driver updates, which can fix compatibility or stability issues with VPN connections. And that's it! Your VPN should now work without disconnecting your internet. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price, fast, secure, and easy to use.